Exceptional design. Enjoy professional performance with hard anodized exterior, unsurpassed heat distribution reinforced with a non-stick cooking surface for professional results. Premium cooking. Drip-free pouring, sloped sides of skillet maximizes cooking surface. Oven safe up to 500 degrees F. Exceptional handling. Cool grip handles are solid stainless steel riveted handles that stay cool on the stovetop and provide a safe solid grip. Cleanup. Easy cleanup with hot soapy water and a non-abrasive scrub pad. Lifetime warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. Cuisinart Contour Hard Anodized Cookware is premium cookware that features the finest materials, constructed for unsurpassed durability and performance. Beautifully and functionally designed, the elegant styling and a robust silhouette make for a professional look. Maximize the volume and cook with added flair with this unique cookware. Top reviews from the United States. Gosh, it's cute. I couldn't put it down, it's so cute. Makes for great soup meals in a comfy chair using the pot like a soup mug. Perfect morning hot breakfast pot. Perfect for ramen. I make a spinach salad and use it as my bowl. I put my ramen in on top of the little shards of left-behind salad. Cook the ramen noodles, add seasoning and voila, the salad flavor blends well with ramen. True one-pot cooking. I eat my meals right out of the pot using a sturdy nylon camping spork.